Hey, UPS left me something. Looks like my wood arrived. Let's take a look at it, guys. We flop the thing up here. Sorry about any wind noise. It's another windy day here. At least it's not freezing cold. Happy about that. Because it's been really super cold here. It's the first kind of a spring feeling day in a while, which I'm happy about. Saw it off. Incredibly dull knife. Could have used a spoon and I think it would have worked just as well. Okay. Time to sharpen that knife. Wow. Okay. Holy cow. Alrighty then. That is a tasty looking piece of wood there. Oh yeah. It's oranger than I was expecting. I know it's gonna once I run it through the planer, it's going to look a lot different. It'll also oxidize and look different. And then the Spanish cedar is very dense, but not nearly as heavy. You can hear it. It's a nice hard wood. It's got a nice. I'd say this is as hard as like maple. There's a good piece of maple. So this is good tool wood, but it's this is way heavy. This is more like on the density level of the Chechen. That rosewood I was using, and this is more on the density of the maple, or maybe even the sapelli. I think it's a little harder, the grain is more interlocked. Anyway, I don't want to ramble on forever here. Gonna run these through the planer in a little bit, and I'll show you guys some beautiful wood. Hey guys, let's take a look at this Spanish cedar, man. This should be pretty. It's gonna be loud. Warning you guys, it's gonna be loud. Padouk now. Watch that come out of there. Louder. It's so hard. This is the cat's ass right here. This is a beautiful piece of wood. Wow. Can you imagine grips, pistol grips in this? The striping is so intense. What a beautiful, beautiful piece of wood. Can't wait to gnaw on it and do something with it. Alright, that's it for looking at wood.